I'm Madam Joyce from Educare TZ. I'm teaching biology, and today my students will be with you to discuss our topic, which is the comparative of natural group of organisms. Here we are going to discuss on the subtopic with the kingdom Mammalia. My students, we can recall on where we end on the last session, is where now we try to look on the subphylum, which is Uniramia, and there we have seen the class Diplopoda. In a good example, we have seen the structure of millipede and the adaptation of the millipede so that they can help themselves to colonize different kind of environment. So my students, in our today's session, we are going to finalize looking on subphylum, which is the Uniramia, and here now we are going to discuss the class Insecta. So we are going to discuss class Insecta. So here we are going to see the examples of this class Insecta, and also we are going to see the distinctive features and the adaptation and so on. So my students, so what is this class Insecta? I hope you are familiar with it. What are the Insecta? Because we have already learned it on the Form 4. They are on ordinary level. So here, my students, we can say that the class contains all of the insects and is the most diverse group of the organism on the earth. Kwa hao organism wote ambao wanapatikana ndani ya hii class Insecta, they are diverse, meaning that ni wapo wengi sana within the earth, na ndio ambao wana contribute into a large percent of organisms that are found within the earth. And now we can say also they differ in morphology and feeding habitat. Although members of this group vary gently, they have some common characteristics which make them to belong into the same class. Kwa ina maana kwamba hao organism wote ambao walikopo ndani ya hii class Insecta, they vary greatly. Wana utofauti mkubwa between one organism. Let's take an example, a good example of class Insecta. We have butterfly, we have housefly. So ukiangalia the mode of feeding of housefly, it is quite different from butterfly. So ndio maana tunasema hao organism, they vary greatly. But also we have seen that this organism, they have some common characteristics which make them to belong into the same class. Kwa sasa, kwa sababu gani sasa kutokana tofauti mbalimbali walizokuwa nazo, but also they have been placed in the same class ambayo inaitwa class Insecta. Kwa kuna they possess the same characteristics. So we are going to see later on the distinctive features that is found within the class Insecta. And also, my students, we can say that members of this class have 3 pairs of walking legs. Also, they have 3 distinct body parts or regions and 1 pairs of antenna borne on the head. We have said that hao organism waliokopo kwenye hii class Insecta, tumesema they have 3 pairs of walking legs. Wanakuwa na 3 pairs of walking legs, kwa ina maana kwamba wana miguu 6. But also these organisms, they have 3 distinct body parts that they contain the head, the thorax together with the abdomen. And also these organisms, they have 1 pairs of antennas borne on the head. So ile pair of antenna ambayo imebona on the head ndiyo ambayo sasa tunasema hao organism wote ambao walikuwa na hizi characteristics ndiyo sababu wakawekwa kwenye hii class Insecta. And also we can say that the members of this class have 3 pairs of walking legs, as we have already seen. And also we can say also members of this class are found in all environments, including the freshwater, aquatic, and terrestrial environment, but very few are found in the marine habitat. Kwa hao organism wanapatikana into different habitat. So ukienda kwenye freshwater unawakuta, ukienda kwenye terrestrial environment also unawakuta, and also ukija kwenye aquatic environment unawakuta, but very few of them that you can find them within a marine water. And also we can say that the antennas are used as a sense organ for detection of odor, molecules in the air, changes in the concentration of water vapors, sound, and going air speed. tunasema kwamba hao organism ambao wanapatikana ndani ya hii class Insecta, most of them they use the antenna for different kind of inatumika kama sensory organ. Kwa kama inatumika kama sensory organ, hiyo inamaanisha nini? Hawa organism sasa tunasema kwamba they detect odor by using the antenna. But also these organisms, they change in the concentration of water vapor. Wanajua the concentration of water vapor within the atmosphere is due to the presence of the antenna that they possess. And also a good example now, we have to see the examples of this organism, mainly class Insecta. So my students, when we are talking about class Insecta, here we are including the grasshopper. So to include the grasshopper, and also we include the butterfly, the housefly, cockroach, beetles, bees, ants, wasps, and the termite. So how organism wote, I hope you are familiar with them. Tunaona in our environment wapo. Kwa hiyo sasa hapa tukiongelea class Insecta, ndipo ambapo sasa tutakuja kuongelea hao organism wote ambao wanapatikana ndani ya hii class Insecta. Tutaongelea cockroach, mende ipoje structure yake. Tutaangalia huyu grasshopper naye yupoje structure yake, and also we're going to see butterfly and housefly and so on. So keep watching, my students, so that we can learn together on this class Insecta, and you will understand all of the things that is concerning class Insecta. So my students, now we are going to see the distinctive features where we have already seen the examples of this organism. Now I would like to take you through the distinctive features of class Insecta. So what are them? What are they now? So here, my students, you are seeing that insects have the following features that differentiate them from the other arthropod. Kwa hao organism ambao wanapatikana ndani ya hii class Insecta, tunasema wenyewe they have different kinds of features, ambazo hizi features zinaweza kutofautisha hawa na the rest of the class ambazo zinapatikana ndani ya arthropod. And the first feature here that make this organism to have a unique feature, and this is, we are saying that their bodies are divided into 3 main regions or tagmata, namely the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Kwa ina maana possession of 3 body part ndiyo ambayo inawatofautisha hao organism wanaopatikana ndani ya class Insecta with the rest of the organism which are found within the within the phylum Arthropoda. So they have the head, they have thorax together with the abdomen, ndiyo ambayo ina constitute into 3 party within the body. And also another distinctive feature of this organism, we can say that they have 3 pairs of walking legs on the thorax, 1 pair per thorax segment. Kwa kutokana na hao organism tunasema kwamba they have 3 pairs of walking legs, meaning that they have 6 legs within their body. But those pairs of the legs, they are attached on the thorax, meaning that 1 pair per thoracic segment. Kwa sasa hizo pair zote za legs zimejiattach kwenye thoracic region au kwenye thorax. And also another characteristics of this organism, or another distinctive feature of this organism, we can say that they usually have 1 or 2 pairs of wings or the thorax, on the thorax. So some members may lack wings. Kwa hao organism tunasema kwamba they possess wings, wanakuwa na mabawa. Lakini yale mabawa yanakuwa into 2 or 3 pairs. Into 1 or 2 pairs. Kwa hiyo sasa, lakini kutokana na different kinds of species that are found within the class, we have another class Insecta that they do not possess wings, but they belong into the class Insecta. So that make them distinctive feature. So that make them to have a unique feature. And another distinctive feature here, my students, we can say that they use the trachea system as their respiratory surface with the segmental spiracles. Kwa hao organism, in order for taking in either oxygen, they use a trachea system. Hii trachea system ndiyo ambayo inatumika kama respiratory surface. So ina maana kwamba they respire by using the respiratory system ambayo inaitwa trachea system, and with the segmental spiracles. So hizi spiracles ndizo ambazo ziko responsible for them to taking in, that is, spiracles help them for gaseous exchange purpose to occur within their body. So my student, in this classy insecta, we have got a lot of distinctive features. So these features, for more clarification, my student, I would like to welcome you into the next part now, is where now we are going to discuss other features which are found, other distinctive features which are found in the classy insecta. So thank you.